Hi everyone, welcome to my new video update on the Duel project. In this case I'll explain some basics on how it works, and also I want to show you a collaboration I did with Bram de Koning. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. That later on the video. Here you can see for the first time the insides of the Duel disk, which is basically an Arduino Pro Mini with a Bluetooth B and the lithium polymer battery with the charger. It also had 5 buttons and an NFC reader for the cards. Each card contains an NFC chip, you can see it right through there. And also the Duel disk can fit any side sleeves. I know there are 2 types of sleeves, but it can fit both. Each NFC sticker, as you can see, adds a little thickness to each sleeve. Here you can see a card without a sleeve, and as you can see the sticker and the protective paper are still on. Each sticker would contain the card ID inside 2 pages of the NFC chip. So for the second part, I'll talk about the collaboration we did with Bram. He developed a smart duel geyser which allows you to see a virtual field, developed for the speed duel format with 3 cards in each field. He developed it in Unity, and as you can see here, I'm browsing through the model folders. There we have the Blue Eyes White Dragon model, and we can orbit around it. His project also has a Docker server for running a Socket.io server, which communicates with the Smart Geyser app that you have to compile in Unity for either iOS or Android. And as part of my collaboration, I did an interface coded in Python, which communicates the Duel disk with the Smart Duel server. For the connection, we only turn it on because it was previously connected to the Bluetooth of my computer. Then we can see the output port is connected as well in the PyCharm terminal, and it appears in the Docker container as well as a new connection. Then when scanning a card with the Duel disk, a new message would be sent to the server. The server would then output the message to the Unity app and display our monster on the field. Coming to the Smart Geyser app, there are 3 available models at the moment. I'm gonna only use the Blue Eyes. I have 3 here. Notice the speed after I scan each card. The monster instantly appears on the field. Of course, we can move around the world and see the models in different angles. Again, the same test with the 3 Blue Eyes White Dragons, this time from a different perspective, so you can see the models in great detail. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching until this point. I know there was a lot going on, but I consider this is a great breakthrough in the way we play the game. Also a great shout out to Bram and his team at Corp, who are working on the models, the animations, and this virtual world that we will soon play in. Thank you for watching, and until the next one.